All right, guys, so now that you've tried the practice problems, let's go over them together. So in number 1, we're asked to check whether the ordered pair 5, 12 is a solution of the given equation. And that equation is y equals 3x minus 4. So we want to take this ordered pair and test it in this equation. Remember, we have an x and we have a y. So we're going to replace y with 12, and we're going to replace our x with 5. We want to know, is 12 equal to 3 times 5 minus 4? So the 12 stays the same, and we need to use our order of operations on the right-hand side. First we multiply, so we get 15 minus 4. 12 is equal to 15 minus 4. Well, that gives us 11. So do you think 12 is equal to 11? Nope, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So this is not a solution. All right, let's try number 2. This time we're going to check if 9, 13 is a solution to y equals x plus 4. And again, remember the 9 is your x and the 13 is your y. All right, in place of y, we're going to put 13. We're going to use the rest of that equation. We need to put in 9 for x and plus 4. And we want to know, is 13 equal to 9 plus 4? Well, we have 13 on the left, and sure enough, 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 equals 13. This is a solution. All right, moving on to the word problem. In number 3, it says to take a taxi, you must pay $4 plus $1.25 for each mile that you travel. We want to write an equation in 2 variables, so we're going to need an x and a y, that represents how much a taxi ride of x miles will cost. Then we're going to find out how much it will cost to take a 7-mile taxi ride. So there's some important clues in this problem. First, we see that we must pay $4. Okay, no matter what, we're going to spend $4. Plus, and that's a real big key word, that's addition, $1.25 for each mile. All right, we're also told that x is going to represent the miles, and we want to find out how much it will cost. So, we already have an x, we're going to let y equal the cost. And we're going to let x equal our miles. All right, so let's set up an equation. We have that the cost is going to be equal to $4 plus $1.25 times the number of miles we travel. So y is equal to 4 plus 125 times x. All right, the last thing we want to figure out here is what happens when we travel 7 miles. So we're going to test 7 miles and see what we get for y. So we have y is equal to 4 plus $1.25 times 7. Now, if you have your calculators, this might work out a little bit quicker, but we end up getting, well, let's work it out just in case you don't have it. $1.25 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 3 is 17. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. And we need to move our decimal twice. So we get $8.75. So $4 plus $8.75. All right, 4 plus 8 gives us 12. So our answer is $12.75. Last but not least, let's take a look at number 4. We're asked to complete the table below. So we're given the equation y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now your answers might work out a little bit different than mine, only because it's going to determine, what's going to determine that is which x is, what numbers you chose to put in place of x. No matter what, the line that I draw should include the points that you have on your paper. So why don't we use, let's make our lives easy. Why don't we use 1, 2, 3, and 4? But you could have chosen any number that you want. All right, so we want to know what happens when y equals 2 times 1 minus 2. Well, 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 minus 2, well, that's 0. So our point is 1, comma, 0. All right, let's try another one. Y is equal to 2 times, this time it's 2, minus 2. All right. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Wow, there's a lot of 2's in that problem. Our point is 2, comma 2. Next, y is equal to 2 times, we're using 3 this time, minus 2. And 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 gives us 4. So my point is 3, comma 4. And last but certainly not least, y is equal to 2 times, we chose 4, minus 2. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 2 is 6. So we have the point 4, comma 6. All right, guys. Last but not least, we just need to graph these points and draw a line through them. Again, this is your x value and this is your y value. X is your horizontal and y is your vertical. So we're going to go over to 1, but up to, well, 0. So that means we're going to stay right on the line. The next point is 2, 2. I go over to 2 and up to 2. The next point, 3, 4, over to 3, up to 4. And last one, over to 4, up to 6. Last but not least, I just need to connect my dots. All right, guys, thanks for watching.